bad, it's going to haunt me forever. I can't wait for the cliff at the end of the river. Is this revenge I seek?